So I'm back at benchwork on the Manitowoc branch of the SOO Line. One of the things I wanted to discuss today was how I was going to do the radiuses on my staging yard. Now, one of the problems I ran into is I have 7 tracks that need to go, grab my paper here, 7 tracks that need to go around this bend. And as you can see here, I got my different radiuses marked out, and they come around here and make this curve. Now, originally, my plan was I was going to create templates for each one, either on a cardboard or some maybe compressed hardboard or something like that. But I thought to myself, these are unique measurements and I'm probably only going to use them 1, maybe 2 times ever in building railroads. So I decided to come up with a different system. So basically what you're doing is when you are making your radiuses, you got to picture your layout as one big square. And the problem with that is I have this whole open area. So what I created here is I have this jig. And all I did was take a piece of 2-inch pine board and I screwed it on the butt joint of a 2x2, and I have it clamped here to the edge of my layout. After that, I went back to my drawing and I figured out where my start point was of my first radius, how many inches in that was. It's 6 7/8 inches because I don't have the fascia on yet. Otherwise it's 7 inches. And 7 inches from the edge. And as you can see here, I have a 19-inch radius marked down. So then I went back to my bench work here and I marked in 7 inches, actually 6 7/8 inches from the edge of the bench work, and then I measured 7 inches in and I made a mark. This is the start of my 19-inch radius. So then from there, I marked 19 inches back and I made a hole. After that, I took this piece of wood, this thin piece of wood, I made a hole at the end, just big enough to fit a screwdriver in there, and it's nice and snug. So from this mark here to this piece here is 19 inches. And then according to my drawing here, the track spacing is every 2.5 inches going up. So all I need to do is take my pencil, put it in my 19-inch mark here, start the radius, and just draw it until I get almost all the way over to my end of my radius. And then I can simply swing it back, make sure my screwdriver is stable, go to the next mark, press my pencil down in, and do the same thing. Come back a little further with that one, and go all the way around. So by the time I'm done and I do all the marks, I will have all my radiuses completed, and I can simply lay my cork roadbed following those center lines. So this is another method that if you have a corner of your bench work that's got a big gap here, you can simply clamp on basically a piece of wood onto the end of it, have it measured out, draw your radiuses, and when you're done, just unclamp it, take it off, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.